So this is my last video journal that I'll have to do for Bradman. I'm very excited. Classes end this week, and that's something that I'm so happy and excited about, just to get back to my regular life. But I had a few aha moments. Yesterday I was dealing with the fact that I'm going to have to say bye to my students. I've built such a great rapport with my kids, and I feel like they've been able to open up to me and confide in me, and they look for me during lunch and their breaks and even during classes, and they know I'm someone that's going to be there for them, and gives them my full attention. And so that's something I'm dealing with. I don't know why yesterday it just happened to hit me really hard. When I did my needs assessment for my other class, I found out that many of the students don't feel a connection with the current counselor. I don't think it's her. I think it's that she has a lot going on her plate. She has 700 students. It's a K through 8, and it's difficult for her to really reach out to everybody. She finds it more, she finds it easier to do lessons with elementary school students and meet with them when they get sent over for different issues. But middle school students have instructional minutes that they are not really allowed to miss. And so she hasn't really worked on building a rapport with the middle school students. And that was my focus right now. And so that's why I think I've been able to, because I have all of this time as an intern counselor. I think one of the awesome things about being an intern counselor is that you don't have all those, you have some, but you don't have all of the different responsibilities that a counselor has, a school counselor has. And so I'm able to really sit down and build a rapport with my students and give them the time that they need. And so that's something that I appreciate right now. I know it's not going to be the same when I'm working as a school counselor. Another aha, or a few more aha moments. I had the counselor and the principal and the vice principal come to me and tell me, what a great job I'm doing, and how they wish that they could, keep me and hire me for the rest of the year. I mean, for the next school year. And that was really great to hear, just because of what happened with my last eval, where things were a little, just receiving the 1s and the 4s, and just a little confusing for me, which made me rethink what I was doing. Luckily, I didn't act on that. But the BP told me that she would snatch me right up if she was still in a position to hire, which she's not, because she's retired and she just came back to be an interim vice principal. And so my experience at this school has been great. And like I said, I'm struggling with having to tell my kids that I won't be here towards the end of May. Who knows, maybe I'll get a position somewhere in the district and I might see them at high school. So this is my last class and my last video journal. Thank you.